Hey there, this is Ren from Corvalent. What is Corvalent? Who is Corvalent? Let me fill you in. Here at Corvalent Corporation, we create industrial computing hardware and IoT solutions to drive profits and performance. What makes us unique is we solve our customers' toughest challenges, integrating our computing solutions, sensors, and IoT software. Our products are USA made and guarantee up to a 15-year life in production. We started by designing and manufacturing rugged industrial motherboards, and then we rapidly expanded to adding rack mount systems, industrial servers, panel PCs, edge computers, and more. We just celebrated our 30th anniversary in this business, so we bring hard-won experience automating critical equipment and industrial processes for the real world. Our IoT platform and application is the result of a solid knowledge of industrial computing from working with customers from diverse industries: oil and gas, medical, manufacturing, automation, defense, and many more. If what you just heard is important to you, you are certainly important to us. Click below to contact us. Computing hardware and IoT solution. Oh, I didn't like that. No. Equipment and industrial processes for the industrial processes. Okay, I got this. What makes us unique is we solve our